Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from DOWN4SOUND.com. In this video, we're going to be revealing a limited edition rare cancer awareness amplifier in this beautiful pink color. And you can see we got the ribbon right here. But first, alright, so as you can see, I already got it unboxed and everything. This is a 2-channel amplifier, which is going to be a limited edition. Had a lot of people reach out to us asking us if we would do something like this for a rare run to bring awareness to cancer patients, the people with cancer going through this difficult time. So we said, why not? Let's do something for them to raise awareness, and also we're going to do our part in giving back to cancer research, because each one of these amplifiers, we're going to be donating a quarter of the amplifier sales. So this amplifier is, again, this made in Korea. It's a high quality amplifier. You can see by the finish and everything that we get made in Korea is the highest quality. So it's going to be a higher price. Anyway, so the pricing for this amplifier is $650, but we're going to be donating $150 on the behalf of the bass heads or car audio fanatics that end up purchasing one of these. Again, we got 100 of them, so donating 100 times 150 is $15,000 that we're going to be giving on the behalf of bass heads that decide to purchase this amplifier. All right, let's go over some of the specs. You can see it's a 2-channel amplifier. That's why we have the 72 right here. It's a big 2-channel amplifier, but not quite as big as the JP13.2 that is way bigger than this amplifier. But again, it's a big 2-channel amplifier, Class AB. So compared to Class D amplifiers, an amplifier this size would be like a 12,000 watt amp, maybe 10,000 watt amp. But something when it's Class AB, it takes a lot more room to make that happen. So on the width, we're looking at roughly 28.5 wide. Again, there's only 100 of these made, and they are serial numbered, so you'll know which one that you get. The height is going to be, I already know, 3 inches, and then the depth of it is going to be the 9.5, which is standard on our Korean model amplifiers. Let's go ahead and show you the bottom of it, like we always do. The plexiglass treatment, and just like the Big Brother, we have the high flow fans, 3 of them right here, and I know there is, where it is, oh, right here. 4 calls for a cure. So we always put something in there, and that's what we decided to do on this one. High quality components. Again, we're going to be sending this one, we sent this one as well to Big D Wiz to do the amplifier testing on. But again, it's a Class AB amplifier, so don't expect some insane numbers out of this amplifier because it is Class AB. You can see we have the Tiffany style RCA connections on the end right here. Power protect and clip in, clip out. Gain, high pass filter, low pass filter, bass boost. Sorry, I couldn't see. Bass frequency right here. And then you got your bass knob that it comes with right there, with a Cat 5 connection. On the, let me flip it around, show you this side. So on this side you have your 0 gauge inputs, and then for the speakers you have the 8 gauge for the speaker wires. And obviously the finish, we did the pink because that's known to be for breast cancer awareness and cancer awareness as well. So we have it engraved right here, the JP72ab, and our little ribbon right there. So the rated power, we can go over the ratings right here. Frequency response 10 hertz to 53,000 hertz. I don't even know if dogs can pick that up, but maybe some aliens in space can. Signal to noise 99 dB, dampening factor 330. High pass filter, we got 20 hertz to 80 hertz. All the typical stuff going through there. I just showed you the base, or the remote right here has all the functions: voltage, temperature, thermal, clipping indicator, all that stuff. But the power rating is going to be right here: 4 ohm power, 330 watts times 2, 2 ohm power, 650 watts times 2, 1 ohm power, 999 watts times 2, 4 ohm bridged power 1222, and then 2 ohm bridged power 1888. Wait, oh sorry, not times 2, times 1, and then times 1 up there as well. I don't know if I missaid that. Anyway, that's going to conclude this video of the JP72ab amplifier bringing awareness to cancer, and we're going to donate $15,000 on behalf of the base heads that are purchasing this to cancer research. $650. You got the measurements, you got the power ratings, and yes, we sent one of these to Big D Wiz. Again, he's gonna be doing the power test on it. But if y'all have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And also comment and let me know what you think of this amplifier and us doing something like this. I had somebody ask if we would do one for autism, like I think they said do an amplifier with puzzle pieces or something on there. So we always take y'all's consideration, I mean what you're saying, into consideration, and maybe that can be something that we do. Let me know what you think about that, doing an amplifier with some puzzle pieces on it. Raise some awareness for autism, and also we could donate some other proceeds to that as well, or for the research of that. Anyway, I'm gonna quit rambling. Appreciate your support. If you need anything, hit us up, DOWN4SOUND.com. You will check out one of these amplifiers. It'll be in the description. And again, we only have 100 of them. Well, we've already sold about 20 of them, so we're down to about 80. So if you want one, grab one. They won't be here long. Appreciate your support. See you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.